Hello there. It's a... Oh, wrong. Like this. So, this is obviously where the headlight is, and here is where you access the lights. We will take this flap off. Pulling actually. Oh no, it's good that it. Alright, so now I have to get this off somehow. The new one. And it's like just pins. Alright. Alright. Here. Well, old one, new one. Let's go. Putting it on just the same way you took the old one out. So we click this back like so. Nice. Tinkering. Oh, and some precision. Maybe. I mean, that's in. Okay, so I was trying to put it in incorrectly. There, like, seems to be a flat side, which is supposed to be facing downward. But now it's in. So, the moment of truth. Really happy. I can recommend if you don't have the biggest fingers or the biggest hands, because it's tedious, might I add. You can easily get frustrated. Yeah. Leave a like if you found this helpful, if you own an 500X, or if you have a good day. Otherwise, don't. Yes. Yeah. I'll see you guys in a bit. Have fun.